Hey, what's up guys? This is Sami again here. Armin again here, and today is 19th, so 2023. Today is just the next part of Solidity. In the last chapter we saw something about required, assert, and now we wanna just talk about error. What is error? What is other name of error? Exception. Sometimes, let me explain it with simple plain English word. Sometimes you make a calculation in your application, in your methods, in your things, but sometimes you're missing something, or some unexpected things happen that you have not any calculation for, and that is that type of error or exception which and now let's see here in Solidity how it works. I'm not going to show for example C# or Java exception. For example, exception let me come here. Exception, we use try and catch in C#. Here try and catch, here you print exception. And here in Java we have also method, Java exception. Okay, in Java we have also method exception, method level. This is try and catch, and we have big tatty, we have here throw exception, but I need something else. Let me see, Java method exception. Let's see Java method exception. Let me see, because here, for example, in Java you are be able, you make your function and you say here you declare this is a type of remote exception which is coming here, and then you print it. But in C#, I don't know, there is no class exception type. Okay, and now in Solidity, which is a son of C++, and little bit Java maybe, it's a error. An error will undo all changes made to the state during a transaction. You can throw an error by calling require, revert, or assert. Require is used to validate input. Require we saw in the last application. Require, which you validate your, for example, you validate your input which is coming. Okay, and revert is also the same. Assert. And now let's come here. This is Solidity's web page, which is original example, which is 820. We have here a function which is accepted the unsigned integer, public, pure, which is only to this function here pure. Okay, and here we have here unsigned integer here which is coming here, and here we declare just with keyword require. You want to say I, which is coming to this function, should be greater than 10. If that is smaller than 10, you give an error, something like this: input must be greater than 10. Require, you validate input, and then you put if that condition not met, you want to print something. Hey, pick that T, not met. Let's see function test revert, and this is the same. It's a exact the same. And here we accept also unsigned integer, which is integer, and here we say if that coming number is smaller or equal than 10, revert this message. These two are same. We have here a public enum, unsigned integer number, function test assert num is equal to 0. Assert, you wanna assert just is used to check for the code, should never be false. Is a type of test. Okay, and and we have here custom error. Custom error, when you want to make a custom error, you want to make your own error, it starts with a keyword error, insufficient balance, and that is balance and withdraw amount. Here wants to say when you want to withdraw, here we have a function here, say test customer error. It say test custom error. We want to withdraw something, okay? We have here an error event just declared, nothing done, just like interface, just interface. Let's see, just interface pop up, just declared. Okay, now look at this. We have here a function which is going to test that. We have here we want to just withdraw amount, and we have here other integer and balance, and here we ask first of all this keyword here, this balance with this wallet, this just refer to just current contract, and here we asked balance here first, and then if that balance, for example, if balance is 10 and you want to withdraw 11, if balance is smaller than that, revert my error. Balance is equal to bal, withdraw is equal to withdraw amount, and this prints for me that just exception. Very nice. Very nice. Let's go here to Solidity. I mean to Remix. I have here a simple contract, integer, balance I mean. Here we have constant max unsigned integer. This is the value of max unsigned integer, min plus, because of Solidity is 0 index language. We have here a function which is deposit, and it accepts amount, and it's not a constructor, but it's a set that it say old balance is equal to balance, new balance is equal to balance min amount, because you wanna deposit something. And here require new balance should be greater or equal than old balance, otherwise print something. Balance is equal to new balance. Assert, and just you make a function here, just very easy. That's just very clear. Function withdraw, you say how much you want to withdraw, and then balance is balance. I ask what's the balance of this user, and then I'm check it that the balance is greater than amount, greater than withdraw amount. After that, if not, revert filan milan, and then is it. Guys, this is nice. This is very nice. Nothing special, nothing easy. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.